Hello guys. Now Craig is here. It's very grumpy to me now, guys.
That's right, because it's stupid. It's going to kill the fish.
Because I put too much food, guys.
Yeah, because you're going to turn the water bad.
Now he's
It's all
getting
waste.
the food.
It'll all turn into ammonia.
I didn't know, babe. Sorry. Because it's hard. I don't know which to open. So and I found
You've got
that
40 babies in here. That's $800 worth of fish.
I didn't know which to open, and I found that side there is little.
That's right. Otherwise you tip the thing. You should just grab a little handful.
So guys, now I know. So next time I need to just.
Next time, don't do it. It's not funny.
Oh, sorry. So next time I just
You're
pinch.
going to have to do this, and then you're going to have to do a water change. You just.
Next time I just gonna pinch, guys. If you got fish tank there, guys.
$800 worth of fish at my price. If you sell it at the thing, it's like nearly $1,000 worth if you had to buy from a shop.
No, he's getting all the fish food there, guys. No, yeah, I think it's gone now. Huh? So no need to change the water, babe?
I still have to change the water later. I just don't want to catch the fish. I kept catching the fish in here. Get out of there, stupid. Now I've caught 2 fish. Come on. I need to wake up to this. 1 fish here. Where's the other one? Now I've got 2 fish in here. 1 medium, 1 good one, and 1 little tiny one. How am I going to get this one out?
Put it back.
Yeah, and then I should get all the food back. Go out there, fishy. Go. Go.
He's using the net, guys, to get the food. And some fishes get inside.
This is really small ones, you know. They need to give enough that they can eat in 2 minutes. And then just feed them 3 times a day, a little bit, not
too much. Now I learned something.
enough for 6 months.
Now I learned something, guys. Because I don't know about this. You only doing this.
Yeah, and this is why.
That's why. They were happy when I put it before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the trouble is, then the water doesn't get eaten, and then it turns into ammonia, and then you get ammonia spike, and it kills all the fish. So it's very small. We have to keep it perfectly balanced all the time.
That's the best part of doing the fish tank.
Yeah, it's the hardest part.
The hardest part.
Keeping it balanced.
Keep the water balanced, guys. Yeah. Ayun, guys, galit siya sa akin, guys, kasi mamamatay daw yung fish pag hindi yun kinuha yung mga food kanina, guys. Ayun, ayan. Ayan, guys. So kung mayroon kayong mga or fish tank dyan guys, yung kung bago lang kayong nag-ano ng fish tank, ayan, kailangan huwag lagyan ng daming pagkain guys. 3 times a day guys, yung ano lang, pins sa food lang. Mag-pins ka lang ng food, ayun natin lagay. Ganyan. Huwag dip yung bottle or yung jar. Ayan. Kasi ang ginawa ko kanina guys sa isang video ko before na ano, tinitip ko lang yung jar, kaya ayun na daming nalagay doon sa inside. Ayun. Kaya si husband ni kailangan niyang i-change yung water guys, sabi niya. Dahil ano yung ammonia daw. Hindi ko maintindihan ano yung ammonia guys. Kung kayo naintindihan nyo, ayun, comments nyo lang dyan. Kasi ano yung ammonia guys? Ayun guys, kailangan huwag lagyan ng daming food yung fish tank kasi mamatay yung mga isda guys. Kaya kinuha kaagad ni Craig nang napanood niya yung video ko. Ayun, hindi pa siya ano, just waking up and then ayun, nanaw kaagad niya yung fish food kasi ang dami.
Feed the rabbits while I'm out there.
You're feeding the rabbit outside? That's it. Thank you. Now he's putting the glass on the cover.
You see, I had a little gap there to feed them.
Yeah, that's what I did before.
Why would you tip the whole thing?
Because I can't open it. Where's the gap? But this one wasn't like that before. It should be like this, open.
Yeah, well, it's not goldfish food either. It's tropical fish food, but it's in the an old container. It's not that one.
Oh, that's not a goldfish food.
That's cheap fish food. I just use the container because I buy the other one in bulk. And I use it.
I said before in my video that
I know.
this is goldfish food.
Well,
And
it's good fish food
I
in it,
think-
but it's different thing.
I think it's still, the fish can still eat with the goldfish food. No? Yeah? They
Look
can
at
still
it
eat
all
it.
in the weed. I'd have
Yeah,
to do a water change tomorrow.
Yeah, that's one, guys. Oh, the food
Too
in there
much.
too much. He's very upset with me.
Anyway, when just the other video when I said I had 6 or 7 of the new baby ones, there's over 20 of them, so it's even better.
It's over 20 now, babies.
Yeah, the other one plus the other one, so there's like there's about 40 fish in there now, plus the catfish, so 55 fish in there.
55 fish, guys. You heard it? Inside the fish tank is 55 fish there. The babies and some adult ones there. There. And that one there, the blowfish. I like that one. Really, is beautiful fish. Blue. Hello, fish. How are you, fish? Your big bush. Your bush fish is so grumpy with me, fish, because I give you a lot of food before. Remember, guys? I remember, fish.
Turn the pump up, make it filter a bit faster, be a bit noisier. And I put this new one in yesterday because it get covered out.
This wood?
Yeah, got the Anubias on, the little Anubias. They were covered up by the guppy grass in the other one. Then I put Java in there. Trimmed all the stuff off that one. But, anyway.
Okay guys, that's all. I just taking a video reaction of Greg. Yeah, he was very upset with me. And at least I learned something, guys, that we don't need to put too much food in the fish tank, because they're gonna die if too much too much food rather. Too much food, so just a bit.
If you overfeed them, the waste food turns into ammonia. Ammonia kills them.
Yeah, so if too much ammonia, that's now I know, if too much ammonia, that's the food or the waste turns with ammonia.
Ammonia turns to nitrate, and then nitrate turns to that. But if you have too much a spike in it, the bacteria can't do with it, the plants can't do with it, and the fish will die because you get an ammonia spike.
Okay.
Because waste turns to ammonia, ammonia turns to nitrite, and then another bacteria turns it to nitrate, which the plants can use. But if you get a spike in anything, it's not good. You have to keep it balanced.
So guys, yung sabi ng asawa ko na yung waste daw turn to ammonia, then the ammonia turn to nitrate, then the bacteria, it turns to bacteria?
Two types of bacteria. One bacteria turns the ammonia to nitrate.
So one bacteria turn to nitrate.
Another type of bacteria turns to nitrate, nitrite to nitrate, which the plants can use. But
It's hard for me to explain, guys. Hope you heard what Greggy said. Yeah.
Greggy's going to buy some milk so he can have a coffee.
Greggy is gonna buy some milk and make a coffee. And so guys, that's all. Now we learn something new, guys, that we never put too much food in the fish tank for the fish, because they're gonna die if too much ammonia in there, guys. Yeah. Alright guys, see you. Hope to subscribe, or please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. I'll post it daily or in the future. Yep. Bye bye guys, see you. Thank you. Leave a comment. Bye bye.